Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to open first our Dhabi bank account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to open your FAB account on iPhone, the first thing that you need to do is simply head over and open up your App Store. Then on the search bar, simply type in FAB Mobile Banking. Then once the search result loads, simply tap on the FAB Mobile Banking option and then tap on the Get button and follow the on-screen prompts to simply download the application. Then once downloaded, what you need to do is tap on Open. Then what you need is before you start, be ready with your valid Emirates ID, password, UAE residence or visa. For full verification, you may be asked to upload scans of photos, and these are primary documents most banks in the UAE require. Then, on the welcome screen, what you need to do is simply tap on Join FAB and then simply select the account that you want. Now, choose your account type. You see an option such as FAB1 account, and you can choose personal savings account, which may have different requirements like minimum balance. Tap the one that matches your needs, then simply enter your personal details. You'll be asked to enter full name, date of birth, contact details, Emirates ID, and make sure your Emirates ID details exactly match your passport or residence visa. The next is to verify your identity. The app will prompt you to scan your Emirates ID, scan your passport, and possibly take a selfie for facial verification. This is to confirm your identity for your banking compliance, and after entering details and uploading documents, confirm your information, accept terms and conditions, submit the application, and the bank processes it usually within minutes to a few days depending on account type and verification. Once approved, you receive your IBAN number with the app. You can set up online banking login as well. A debit card may be issued to your address depending on the account type you choose. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.